Hey there guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make slime with your leftover activator from your old slime. So this is my old slime. I added too much activator, so the activator actually leaked out from the slime, so you can see it's hardened. Yeah, and I took all the activator from here and I put it in this container. Okay. So this slime, I didn't search it on YouTube. I made it myself. It's my own idea. Okay, guys. So you need a plastic cup. I used my old one, and this is what my slime went in. The leftover activator, glue. As you can see, I got two glues because this glue is too sticky. So I need to calm it down with this and the mixing tool. So let's get started. Okay, so you want your cup. Okay. And then you want to take your glue. You want to take your glue. I just take it. Okay, done. So I use my leftover ones. Just take some. Just take some. Okay, so it's on the stick. It's on the stick, as you can see. I'm gonna place it in here. Okay, just gonna place it in there, stay in there. Okay then, so it's on the edge, just place it in there, you can see. Maybe just take a bit more. Then I'll just put it in. Okay, so just stick with your sister. I said stick with your sister, not me. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this glue stick. And I'll take the other one. Okay, so as you can see, it's black because I added for coloring that time, coloring paint, and I was making my slime. Okay, clear glue, not clear, but gonna add this thing. Take a bit more. Okay, this should be enough. There you go. Now I'm just gonna close it. Okay, we can put this aside now. Okay. So now you will want to mix it for a while, like for a little bit, until it's all mixed up together. Well mixed, not well. You don't need it to be super well. Okay. Okay, so it's done, right? So you want to take your leftover activator. Okay, then just put a stick in. Just roll it around if you're making a small slime. But if you're making a big slime, I think you should add like 1/5 of the slime, of the activator to the slime. I maybe just add bit by bit lah. Okay, now stirring. As you can see, it's coming together well. This is the crazy part. Okay, there. So it's stick on the stick, so you want to take it. Oh, it fell on the table. That's okay. Let's just take some of that. Oh, and guys, you don't need an airtight container. You can just leave it like that. Leave it in here, and then your container, it won't dry up. It'll stay the same. But I like it to put in here because that time when I made the slime, it went down something. Yeah, so I never get to find it, so I just made more. As you can see, it's becoming into slime. So guys, if it turns sticky, you will want your activator, and then just take a bit, not too much. Okay, there you go. Then want to stretch it. There you go. And that's your slime. It's fun to poke as well. It's very fun to poke. If you ask me why I don't do slime videos, I don't, because I made this from church. There was a party at church, at my church, and then we were making slime. So this is so cool, right? This is my first time doing successful slime. Okay guys. So now, time for a satisfaction clip. Wait a sec, guys. I'll just need to put stuff away. Okay. Guys, I'm ready. Okay, so let's get the slime out of there. Let's compare. I said, let's compare. Guys, I'm trying to get this out. Okay, guys. I think I got it all out. Okay, guys, see? It's really fun to play with. So if you're scared that it will stick to your fingers, you will want to put some activator on your fingers first. Satisfaction. Oh, and guys, this is my first slime that ever succeeded. Now let's try the new one. There you go. Now, I'm going to mix it together first. Okay, guys. So satisfying. Okay, guys. I'm about to mix it together. Whoa. It's not that sticky anymore as it was before. Wow, this is so stretchy. Whoa, so cool. Hey guys, this is your end result, and yeah, bye guys. Make sure you subscribe because I'm poor. This is my face and this is my. I'm poor. I'm broke. Okay, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe, and turn on the notification so you'll be notified on my latest videos. Yeah, comment down below. Slime rocks if you like my idea. If you like slime, and comment down below. You rock natural. Oh, and guys, I forgot to introduce myself. I am natural in nature. You can call me natural for sure. And comment down below. You rock natural if this slime idea worked and if it's amazing. Okay, bye guys.